Okay, I'm trying this again. So, hello, and welcome to the June 10th unboxing. It is a beautiful day here today. I don't even have to put my lights on because it's so sunny. And we had the hedges trimmed at the front here. So I've got like a little porch area and then it's like a bunch of bushes. And it was trimmed. So now I have so much light and it's so nice. Anyway. I hope everybody's good. So if you're joining me for unboxing for the first time, what it is the clothes or the dolls, and a lot of the clothes get made over on Vancouver Island, and then they come over here to me and I unbox them and I see what's inside. So we're gonna see what's inside. Yeah, but first I have Bridget's dolls that I got yesterday because I always get her dolls on Tuesday, and she got me some, she made some beautiful dolls. So we've got this girl here, and I spent yesterday sewing most of the faces on. I didn't get all of them done, but then there's this girl here, and then this girl here. So cute. I love this girl. I love. Oh my gosh, I can see comments today. Yes, it is a good one. Okay, excellent. It's gonna be a great day. I can see comments. Hi, Carrie. Hi, Bernice. Okay, and then there's this girl here. Look at those really nice handspun bits. And then there's this girl here. Please pardon, they don't have underpants. And then this week, you know, to keep things interesting for myself, I actually did the 2-lash eyelash. I don't know if you can see. 2-lash eyelash instead of the 1-lash. I was like, oh, I'm gonna try the 2-lash eyelash again. And then there's this beautiful girl here. This gorgeous girl. Look at this handspun. Isn't that beautiful? There's her. This purple girl here. And then this pinky girl here. And then I've got this girl here with the blue in her hair. She's really cute. So those are the little friends from Bridget. So those will be going up on Tuesday, oh my god, on Friday for sure. So let's get into these guys. See what delights Audrey has packed for me and all my amazing ladies have made and created. Oh, okay. Oh. Okay, so let's see what we've got. We've got some outfits. Oh, so happy about these ones. So this was some dresses that I found, these doilies. Isn't that so nice? Got these doilies, and I had them put on the thing. Aren't they so cute? So we've got some really sweet little, I don't know. I was like, you know, we just can't have enough doilies, I think. So my friend, Bonnie, her mom lives in like this small town, and this small town has this like kind of famous thrift store. Like it's like a lot of makers make their way to this thrift store because it is just so good for like I think it's because there's quite a big elderly community that lives there, and there's no like fast fashion in that area. Like you'd have to drive an hour and a half to get to something fast fashion-y. So what happens is you get a lot of like good quality stuff. Anyway, so my friend's mom works at this thrift store and pulls all the like doilies and cotton, like nice cotton embroidery stuff for me. So that's why I get to use it on the dolls' dresses. Okay, and then there's this cute girl, this cute dress. And I'm not sure if I'm gonna be putting these on the site. I might put the doilies on. I don't know, I have to figure it out. I have to see what we get, right? And then, oh, another one of these cute little outfits with the double gauze. And let's like bless Sam because she worked with the double gauze and she hates working with this stuff. This fabric is like not fun to work with, and Sam did, so thanks, Sam. And then this cute little checked dress. Isn't that so sweet? And you know what's cool about this is that, look, it's this on the other side. Isn't that amazing? Anyway, but I wanted the gingham because I love the gingham. So there's this stuff. Oh, hi Leslie. Hi May. Hi Bernice. Hi. Okay, so we've got that. And then we've got some dolls. Oh my gosh. So I've got this beauty here. Look at that one and this one. Nice to see some boucle little buddies. I think those are the only little buddies we have. It's like we get them like alternate weeks, bigger batches of them. Look at this rainbow. Oh my gosh. So beautiful. Look at this hand span. Isn't that gorgeous? So nice. We've got that. And then, oh my gosh, look at this one. Beautiful. So pretty. Look at that color. Oh, so good. So good. Oh, and eggs. Very happy. Very, very happy. Jasper's back from Japan now, so we're going through a lot of eggs. And then there's this beautiful purple girl with the pinky purple highlight in her hair. That's really, really pretty. Got her. And I've got this greeny girl. Beautiful. Look at that. So nice. So nice. And then this one. Oh my gosh, look at this one. Beautiful. And then this one. Oh, love her hair. Love, love, love this color hair. We've had a lot of it, I know, because I'm so in love with it, but like, yeah, that golden, light golden, blondie, brown kind of color. Oh, and then a pastel rainbow, always a nice little addition. And then a beautiful blonde here. Look at this girl with her pretty blue in her hair. She's like part mermaid, right? Look at her. She's so cute. Here, let me just like, there, so you can like really see her beautiful highlights. There's her. Okay. I'm filming this on YouTube for YouTube as well. And it's like, anyway, for my YouTube watchers, I'm very sorry because it's like, the angle's a bit off. But anyway, okay. And then in here I also have wool. Oh, okay. And in another box, because there was like Bridget's dolls in it, there was some stuff that's kind of fun. So we got all these purses made by Samira. Aren't they so cute? And the little like bamboletta ones that she made. Isn't that so sweet? That's so sweet. So she embroidered bamboletta on the doll, on the purse. And then I've got t-shirts here and lots of t-shirts, yay. And then I've got these cute pinafores for the sitting friends, lots of sitting friend pants, and some Pico shoes and like little bits and pieces here. Oh, so good. I'm totally stocked up for my dressing, so that's nice. It's always, you know, when I'm like dressing and I'm like just making it with like socks and shoes sometimes. It's nice when I've got lots of things to choose from. Okay, so we do this one. Okay. Oh gosh, I don't want to rip through. And if Audrey's watching, Audrey, thank you for wrapping it all so nice. It's so good. Keeps it nice and safe. Okay, so let's see what else we have. Oh, hi, Anne. Nice to see you. Okay. Oh, these. So excited about these. Okay, so we're doing like a new little set for the Forever Friends, where we're gonna do like a little pinafore for the Forever Friends. How cute is that? So this is that really nice. Oh my gosh, Audrey's calling me. Oh, Audrey doesn't know that I'm doing unboxing. Okay, and then we've got this here, and then I've got this. This I love, 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 love. That, like, look at, I don't know if you can really see what it's about, but it's got like these little almost like they're like little ties. Do you see that? Like little things. Isn't that just amazing? When I saw this fabric, I was like, oh, that is really, really interesting and different, and kind of fell in love. And then I had Lori, who's incredible, make these shirts that go underneath. So like this will be like this little shirt with the collar. Isn't that so cute? And then these shirts here with like the little collar that goes under this. Very nice. Really, really nice. Lori did an amazing job, and I could lots and lots and lots and lots of sewing. Okay, and then I have, oh, some overalls. Lovely. Can't have enough overalls. Okay, and then I have this little beautiful, beautiful Ashton with the curly red hair. So nice. Very, very cute. Very cute. And then I have this one here with the brown hair. So adorable. Also very, very cute. Look at these two. Oh, look, we have same hair. I love them. I love, love, love them. So I'll have these up on Friday as well. I mean, look at these like boots and the pink of the detail and like, yeah, Sam really does such a great job on these. So we had a little bit of break on them while we were concentrating on something else, because as I said before, I only have so much like woman power, you know what I mean, to do things. So it was nice that we have these back once in a while. Okay, and then I've got in here, oh, we've got some nice headbands, because I thought, oh, let's do some headbands. I've got some like socks and some shoes. Ooh, so exciting. And then some more dolls. So we've got some more little friends. Look at this one. Really, really nice. And then this one, another pastel rainbow, also very, very nice. This beautiful brown, very cute. Yeah, I really like this one because it's just like little pops of like pink. It's not quite as bright as it looks. I think that the light is really shining, but it, yeah, I really love that one. And then this cutie here. And, oh, Kill Surprise, look at this, all mohair, very cute. We've got this nice blonde with the purple streaks in her hair, and a boy, but I don't know, I don't think I have any boy outfits, but maybe I'll put a pin in that. And then, oh, this one's really, really pretty too, look at that. There's a doll on the website right now though. Oh, what's her name? What did I name her? She's a little friend, and she's blonde, and she's got pink overalls and the buns. And she has such beautiful hair. It's blonde, and it's got this kind of handspun in it, and it's just so pretty. Oh, yeah, anyway, that reminds me of it a little bit. And then we've got this girl here. Please tell me what you, in the comments, what color eyes you think we should put on her. I'm immediately thinking like a light green, but what do you think? Isn't that nice? So this is just like mixed gingery, all dread. Oh my gosh, look at this one. This blonde, well, it's actually like a very, 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 very pale yellow. That is really, really nice. Brown? Okay, I'll do brown. Yeah, that's a good call, brown, and I know just the right kind of brown. When I went to the craft store last week, or a couple weeks, I don't even know. A month ago, last week, I don't know. No concept of time right now. I bought like a whole range of browns, so I've got this like really nice, beautiful like golden, that'll look nice on her. So this one, look at that, that's like pale, pale yellow, and that pale yellow handspun. Oh, that's spectacular. And look at the floof. Look at this. Look at the body on this one. Look at that, so nice. Then I have this girl here, right? And oh my gosh, look at this green girl. Isn't she fun? So nice. And if there's any dolls here that you see that you're like, oh, I would love to see eyes on that doll, please, yeah, let me know. I really love like knowing, oh gosh, look at this. You know, this is a dang cute little boucle bob girl. Look at that. With the purple hair. Very sweet. And look, another one. Because we hear you that you love the boucle bobs. So we made it happen. And we have this, oh my gosh, look at how cute this is going to be on this little situation with the little stars. That is cute. Oh, and then this red. Oh my gosh, look at that. Her forever friend sister went 2 weeks ago. Yeah, I will put eyes on them. Yeah. I can do like a whole line of like no eye dolls. That's like total Waldorf, hey? Like no fake, no eyes, no mouth, like just nothing. Anyway, so there's this girl. So Cassandra got the forever friend sister a couple weeks ago. So here she is. She's really, really pretty. Really crazy long hair. I wonder if she was supposed to be for if there was 2 made by accident. But anyway, and then, oh, this one. Look at her. Oh, so cute. Her big sister was also last week. Oh, I know, Anne. I know you're joking. I am also joking that we do a line of no eye dolls. Okay, then there's this one. And yeah, she had a forever friend sister. And somebody actually emailed this morning asking if there would be another one like this. And look at that. Here she is. Oh, Cassandra, look. It's the little sitting friend sister of your forever friend that you got. Anyway. Okay, so that's what I have going on. Oh my gosh, you guys have no idea how nice it is to see everyone, to read comments. All my friends are here. So nice, instead of just like me talking to a screen. It's really great. Yeah, if you're on YouTube, I'm gonna shout out the YouTube people. If you're on YouTube and you're like, what the heck is going on? I run this live, like with, you know, interactive, I guess, over on our Facebook club page. We have a page called Bambolettadolls Club, and that's where this happens live. And then I record it and YouTube, or put it over on YouTube. But anyway, okay. That's it. I'm gonna get going here. Lots to organize, lots of really great things. Thank you very much, and I will talk to you all later. Okay, bye. Have a great day today. Oh, hi, Jennifer. Hello. Oh, all my friends. Okay, we'll see you later. Bye.